What's up guys, hope you have all been doing super well. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your handheld footage look more cinematic. So, if you want to stick around, just keep watching. If you're new to this channel and want to follow me along the journey of success and hard work, then you might as well click that little subscribe button down below and click that little bell next to it so you don't miss anything. I've been creating cinematic videos for about a year now. I'm just starting to realize my potential, all because I haven't given up, all because I haven't listened to the naysayers, and I'm actually pursuing my dream. I love creating film, cinematic videos, YouTube videos, pictures, you name it. I probably love creating some form of it. Hello? But creating cinematic videos takes a little more... Hello? Hello? Alright, creating cinematic videos takes just a little more effort, but I don't mind it because it's my passion. The first tip I'm going to give to you guys is for you to use a shallow depth of field. And if you don't know what it is or how to use it, that will be in another video in the future. A shallow depth of field can give you that nice blurry background that all cinematographers and filmmakers love using. Now I know personally in my videos, I do use a shallow depth of field just because it makes it look more cinematic and it just adds that extra professionality, I guess. You know, it just makes it look a lot more professional. Slow motion. For better cinematic footage, you may want to use slow motion. It's a post-production tip, but it can work out in your favor. This is a common and obvious answer for better cinematic footage, but some may overlook it and miss out on the opportunity for a better, cleaner, cinematic video. Use foreground. Foreground. This tip is widely overused and sometimes even accidentally added into a cinematic video. Foreground is something that can be placed in front of your shot to add that extra depth. Just like if I were to place something in front of my camera right now, it would just look a lot more professional. See? Okay, enough of that. And she's gonna, after the third time, she's gonna text me and say, do you want a hamburger? Of course I want a hamburger. So in conclusion to this video, if you guys were to take these small but overused obvious tips, please let me know in the comments below. DM me on Instagram. That's all that I have for you guys today. I wish you the best on your filmmaking and creative journey, but just remember to never be satisfied and to always keep creating. And on that note, I will catch you guys on the flip.